Hello YouTube, welcome to Silent Guitar Player channel, and this is a very quick and dirty video on Mobile Keys 25 by Line6 MIDI keyboard and its compatibility with the newer iOS devices with a lightning connector. Now I know it's a very old device and it's no longer in production, but I still do see sometimes discussions going on the internet on whether it is compatible with the newer iOS devices with lightning connector or not. So here is my answer to this question, found in a practical way. What I've got laying in a messy way here is two sets of cables. One set consists of Line6 original proprietary cable for connection to iOS devices, which has a 30-pin connector on one side, which was the connector for all the Apple devices, and a proprietary, yes, thank you Line6, proprietary connector, a square-shaped, multi-contact, looking like nothing else in the market, on the other end. So that's one set of cables. And it's coupled with Apple's original 30-pin to lightning adapter, and this is Apple's original one, not a Chinese copy or anything. This one was bought in the Apple Store. So let's put that out of the way. The other set of cables consists of a regular USB Type B to USB Type A cable, which you can get for a few cents anywhere in any store, and again Apple's original USB Type A to lightning connector, what they call the camera connection kit. But as we all know, the functionality of this little adapter goes far beyond camera connectivity. So let's try both cable sets with my iPad mini 4 with GarageBand launched and the little electric piano loaded up. So I'm taking this cable first. I plug it into the back of the keyboard, into Line6 proprietary connector, and then I plug the other end of it together with the adapter, I'm sorry, just twist it a little bit, into my iPad mini. And I have nothing. I have no backlight on the octave up, octave down and shift buttons. The GarageBand does not react to the keyboard at all. So my conclusion is no. This way of connecting Line6 Mobile Keys 25 and presumably 49 to a newer lightning equipped iOS device does not work. So let's throw that away and grab the second set of cables. Now you take the regular USB Type B cable, you plug it on the back of the Line6 keyboard, and you connect the camera connection kit to, did you see that? To the iPad. So now my keyboard is getting power, my octave up and down keys are backlit when I activate them, my shift is backlit, so that is getting power, and guess what? GarageBand reacts to the key input on Line6 Mobile Keys 25. So the conclusion is, if you own one of those keyboards, and I still think it's a great compact 25 key MIDI keyboard, I'm not going into details on why this is great. There are plenty reviews on the internet on this family of keyboards. It's a pity it's no longer in production. But getting back to the original subject of this video, if you want to use Mobile Keys 25 or Mobile Keys 49 by Line6 with newer Apple devices equipped with the Lightning connector, throw away, I'm kidding, hide in a drawer the original proprietary cable, 30-pin cable that came with your Line6 device, and get yourself a hugely versatile and useful in any case Apple camera connection kit adapter, and use a regular USB Type B to USB Type A cable, and you'll have absolutely no problem using your Line 6 keyboard with iOS devices. Everything works. The volume works, the panning works. You can't hear it on the camera because it's mono, but it works, believe me. The pitch works. The mod wheel in this specific case does not work, but it works in other applications, so my conclusion is the functionality of the mod wheel depends on how you program it rather than the connectivity of the keyboard to the device. So that's it. I hope someone finds it useful. This keyboard can work with newer iOS devices. You just have to use the proper set of cables. Thanks. Take care.